Yes, the nation's biggest pharmacy is getting hit with a federal lawsuit claiming the company contributed to the opioid crisis by filling prescriptions they knew they shouldn't. Here's ABC's Andrea Fujii.
The Justice Department is suing CVS, claiming the company unlawfully dispensed opioids to boost its bottom line. In a civil lawsuit, the government claims the country's largest pharmaceutical company knowingly filled prescriptions for controlled substances that lacked a legitimate medical purpose.
The failure to step in and prevent the issuance of prescriptions that should not go out the door for dangerous and potentially fatal opioids puts lives at risk.
The complaint says the company, with more than 9,000 stores nationwide, did it to fuel its own profits at the expense of public health and safety. The Justice Department claims CVS ignored its own pharmacists and internal data, pointing to problematic prescriptions.
There are repeated red flags that we allege. These are not subtle red flags. They are overt, they are repeated, and they were repeatedly raised by CVS's own expert pharmacy staff.
CVS denies the accusations, saying each of the prescriptions in question was for an FDA-approved opioid medication prescribed by a practitioner who the government itself licensed. Just 2 years ago, CVS and Walgreens agreed to pay $10 billion to several states to settle lawsuits linked to their roles in the opioid crisis. But neither company admitted to wrongdoing. The Justice Department says CVS could face civil penalties for every single prescription filled in violation of the law. Andrea Fujii, ABC News, New York.